everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a plain cinema hat and transforming it into a stunning, boutique-worthy summer accessory. You won't believe how a few simple materials, lace, pearls, flowers, and feathers, can completely transform this hat. Stick around because by the end I'll reveal a trick that makes it look like it cost over $100. If you're new here, a big warm welcome. On this channel, we create fun, easy DIY fashion projects that look expensive but anyone can make. Make sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss one of these projects. And comment below your favourite summer accessory. Before we dive in, let me tell you why this DIY is a total game changer. You can take a simple, inexpensive hat and turn it into something that looks like it came straight from a boutique. It's perfect for summer events, brunches, garden parties, or even weddings. And the best part? You don't need any special skills, just lace, pearls, flowers, and a little creativity. By the end of this video, you'll have a hat that's completely unique and Instagram ready. First, we add lace straps to the top of the hat. You can crisscross it, lay it flat, or create your own pattern, whatever suits your style. This instantly gives the hat a polished, professional look. Adding lace to the top sets the foundation for the rest of the decorations, so take your time to line it up neatly. You can use white or cream for elegance, or pastel colours for a playful summer vibe. Wide lace, thin lace, or layered styles. Each choice changes the mood completely. Already, you can see how adding lace to the top completely transforms the hat. It looks instantly more stylish and polished. And this is just the beginning. Later, when we add pearls, flowers, and feathers, it's going to look like a high-end boutique piece, all with simple DIY materials. Next, glue lace straps around the edge of the hat. This adds texture, softness, and a romantic vintage vibe. It's amazing how just this one extra layer makes the hat feel finished and elegant. Press it gently so the glue holds and make sure it lines up neatly with the top lace for a cohesive look. You can mix and match lace colours or widths to give it a unique, custom style. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this transformation, subscribe for more creative summer DIYs. And if you try this at home, tag me on Instagram or comment below. I love seeing your creations. Look at how much the hat has already transformed. That simple lace around the base adds so much texture and elegance, giving it a professional, boutique-ready look. This is where your creativity really shines. You could experiment with different lace patterns, widths, or even layering two types for a unique style. And just wait until we add the pearls, flowers, and feathers. It's going to take the hat from gorgeous to absolutely stunning. DIY really lets you turn simple materials into something that looks high-end and custom-made. Now for the pearls. Carefully glue them evenly around the base of the hat, right above the bottom lace. This adds shimmer and instantly elevates the design. You can space them evenly for a classic look or cluster them for a bold statement. This combination of base lace and pearls makes the hat feel luxurious and completely boutique-worthy. See how those pearls instantly elevate the hat? They catch the light beautifully and add that high-end boutique feel. Even with simple DIY materials, the hat already looks so luxurious. You could experiment with different pearl sizes, cluster patterns, or even add a touch of shimmer for an extra wow factor. This step really makes the hat feel custom-made and completely unique. Now, add white flowers to the front of the hat. They bring softness, elegance, and a dreamy summer vibe. Layer petals, add smaller leaves or tiny blooms for texture. Placement is important, symmetrical for a formal look, scattered for a whimsical, playful style. Just see how flowers alone transform the hat. Instantly boutique-worthy. See how the flowers instantly add softness and elegance? They give the hat a chic. Finally, add feathers behind the flowers. Angle them slightly upward or sideways so they catch the breeze. Feathers bring motion, balance, and that final wow factor. This finishing touch makes the hat look alive, sophisticated, and totally unique. This final step is the ultimate game changer. It looks like a designer piece. Wow! Just look at how the feathers add movement and drama. They really complete the hat. This step takes it from a simple DIY to a high-end, designer-inspired accessory. You can angle them in different ways to create unique shapes or subtle flair, making every hat one of a kind. Combined with the lace, pearls, and flowers, your hat now looks premium, stylish, and totally custom-made. DIY really lets you create something that looks expensive without spending a fortune. And that's our finished DIY lace, pearls, flowers, and feather cinema hat. It's lightweight, stylish, and completely unique. A premium, designer-inspired accessory you made yourself. If you loved this transformation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative projects. Hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY, and stay tuned. I've got more fun, high-end DIY ideas coming your way.